Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, this cool missile right here, and basically what this is a silicone frame case that's used for your GoPro Hero 9. So if you guys can see, this is basically what the package looks like. Let me actually open up and show you guys what's included inside. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you guys can see that's what it looks like inside. Let's take everything out. Alright, so inside they do provide guys a lanyard option where you can actually put it around your neck. And you guys can actually adjust this part to make it looser or tighter based on your own preference. And for this part, you guys can actually lock it in. So once you guys lock it in, that's what it looks like right there. And you just basically want to adjust this how you guys want to. So if you guys want to go like this and just put it around your neck, you can definitely go like that and just adjust it all the way up here to keep it tight if you guys want to. Or if you guys want to, you can definitely use like a wristband option as well. So if you guys want to use the wristband option, just go like this and just close it back up. Go as far as you guys can, just like that. So that's basically how you guys use this option right here. Whereas the other end right here, you guys want to attach this onto the case. Let me actually take out the case to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so you can see that this is basically what the case looks like. So you want to attach it right here. So let me show you guys what I mean. Alright, so we got it through. So what you want to do is pull it out. Put it through right here. And then pull it all the way. And then you guys are all set. So now you guys can use it like a lanyard option, or you guys can use it around your wristband as well. And for this product, it comes with a little cover, so you can actually cover up the lens right here, which is pretty cool. So this is basically what the product looks like. Let me actually put it on there with GoPro so you can definitely see a better view of the product. So you want to go like this and insert it in all the way. Alright, so once we have it in, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. So it definitely has the opening for the lens right here, and you have this option right here for the front display screen. And this is basically what it looks like in the back right here. So if you guys want to use the little cover option, you can definitely cover it right here. So you definitely have the button option on top right here and also on the side right here. And you definitely have the opening on the bottom if you guys want to pull this part out and use that option as well. So that way you can actually mount it on somewhere if you guys want to. And obviously, like I mentioned, if you guys want to hang this around your neck like a lanyard or your wrist, you can definitely do that as well. But when you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels really smooth and definitely has that protection for your device. I believe the material that they use on here is like a silicone material. And also another cool thing about the product is the fact that for this case in particular, it's anti-scratch and it's also anti-shock as well. So you don't have to worry about the product getting scratches or whatever, which is pretty nice. So this is basically what the product looks like with this one right here. They also have this in a blue color, so you definitely have that two options to pick from, either a black or a blue option. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully assemble it. If you guys can see, it definitely looks pretty awesome. You definitely have that full-on coverage for both the lens and also for the actual product itself. So obviously, if you guys need to like charge the product, or if you guys need to replace like the SD card or the battery inside, you do need to remove the case in order for you guys to do that. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is worth it if you guys want more than need warranties. Especially if you guys want to add that extra protection layer for your product, then it's definitely really nice to get any kind of case in particular. So that way you guys don't have to worry about scratching your product or damaging your product over time. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have this one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.